Hey, ma'am, how much to shoot that giant elk in your field?
Well, that's a whole lot of meat.
And that's exactly why I brought my daddy's checkbook.
Oh, honey, look around. Does it look like I need money?
All right, then what do you want for it?
Well, you got a girlfriend?
Oh, no disrespect, ma'am, but you're a little old for me.
Not for me, dummy. For my daughter.
Wait, you want to trade your daughter for an elk?
Yep, you marry her and you can hunt here for the rest of your life.
This sounds a little fishy.
Speaking of fish, I also have a 500-acre lake you could build a house on.
Okay, just so we're clear,